Hello everyone, we are going to continue the topic of the basics of logic design, unit 1 of the fundamentals of computers subject. In this video, we are going to study about the complements of number systems and arithmetic operations. In this topic, we are going to study about the ones complement and twos complement. Why we need complement of the number system? Because this perform the arithmetic operation, that is when a negative number in the arithmetic operations, when there is a negative number in the arithmetic operations, we need to convert that to two's complement when we go for the binary arithmetic. That means the computer will not go to calculate the decimal part arithmetic or a subtraction. It will going to convert the decimal number to the binary one, right? So when the negative number is there in the addition or subtraction, it will going to convert to the binary one. So that need the two's complement operation to convert the negative number, that is decimal negative number, to the binary number. So in this we are going to study about the ones complement and twos complement. So let's see the ones complement. In the ones complement concept, a given binary number will going to change its all the bits, that is from 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Example, so here 0 is converted to 1, 1 is converted to 0, 0 is converted to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0. Like this we are going to convert the binary numbers to the ones complement. So next is the twos complement. So in the twos complement we are having two methods. So one method is, first we have to get the ones complement of the given binary number, then add 1 to the LSB of the ones complement. So we have to add 1 to the LSB of the ones complemented output, then we will get the twos complement. So this is the method 1. In the method 2, the binary number, the given binary number, we have to check start from the rightmost with the LSB, copy the bits as it is up to the first appearance of the bit 1 and including that one, then we have to complement the remaining bits up to the MSB. So let's see the method 1, then we will go for the method 2. So this is the method 1. So the steps are, first we have to get the ones complement of the binary number. So this is the binary number 11010. So for this ones complement is, we have to change 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Like this we have to do for all. Then this is the ones complement. The second step is, we have to add 1 to the LSB of the ones complement. That means we have to add 1 to the LSB of the ones complement. Then the addition operation is, if we add 1 1, we will get 1 1, we will get 0 and 1 carry. Okay, so 1 1 is added, we got 0, and here is 1 carry. Now 1 0 is 1, the remaining as it is we float the down. So this is the answer for the binary number 11010 in twos complement. Clear? So this is the method 1. So let's see the method 2. The method 2, for a given binary number, you have to start from the LSB. Just copy the content as it is, 0 to 0, then 1 to 1. So now you have to stop here, copying of the content as it is. After appearing of the first one, you have to copy, then you have to complement it. The next bit you have to complement, that is 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0. So this is the second method of twos complement. So when you are having the number like this, then Then for 2's complement, first you have to copy as it is 1. So this is the first appearance of the 1. So for the next remaining you have to do the 2's, that is complement of the 0. That is 1, complement of the 1 is 0, complement of the 1 is 0, complement of the 1 is 0. So this is the 2's complement for this binary number. So this is about the 2's complement. By this it's complete the complements of number system. By this we completed the complements of number system. In the next video we are going to do the arithmetic operation according to this complement and binary subtraction using 1's and 2's complement. Thank you.